Hi everyone, I'm Mohamed Naguib, a cybersecurity researcher with over 19 years of experience in information technology and cybersecurity. Welcome back to our Cloud Security Mastery course. As you know, in this series, we're taking a structured approach starting from the fundamentals of cloud computing and gradually advancing into the critical aspects of securing cloud environments. Whether you're seeking to be a cloud architect, DevOps engineer,
DevSecOps engineer,
or an aspiring cloud security engineer, or cloud penetration tester, this course is designed to give you the deep practical knowledge you need to excel. So let's start now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we're going to take a quick but essential tour of the AWS Management Console. This is where all the magic happens when working with AWS. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to navigate the console, how AWS regions work, and how to find the services you'll need throughout this course. Let's dive in. Understanding regions. First things first. Let's talk about regions. Look at the OCS models, right corner of the AWS console. That's where you see your current region. Right now mine is set to what, which is East Wanderers, which is Northern Virginia USA, but AWS has area regions all over the world. You'll see options like ASA Europe, Ireland, FES Asia Pacifics, Mumbai's, Africa's, Cape Town, and many more. So which one should you choose? Speak the region closest to you geographically. That way, you get lower latencies and a smoother experience. For example, I'm in Europe, so I'll use West ones, Ireland. You don't need to use a region in your country, just one that's nearby. In navigating the console, let's now look at the console itself. On the gas main dashboard, you'll see some commonly used services. But if you want to explore more, just click the as menu icon in the top left corner. You'll see a huge list of AWS services. Don't panic. We'll go over the most important ones in this course. Pro tip, for example, if I type as it immediately shows the IAM services along with related documentation and marketplace results. Let's click on IAM and open it in a new tab. IAM, a global service. Here we are in areas AIM identity and access management DOS. Notice something interesting in the top right corner. It says global. That's because FES IAM is a global service. It doesn't depend on a specific region. You set it once and it applies everywhere in your AWS account. A regional service or EC2. Now let's look at another example as a EC2 views, which is AWS's virtual server service. Click into EC2 and now you'll see that the top right corner says IAND or whatever region you're using. That's because EC2 is a regional service. If I switch my region from Ireland to Frankfurt, I'll see a different setup of EC2 resources. That's key point. As some services are global, like I am. Most services are regional, like EC2, Lambda etc. You'll always know by checking the region name in the top right. Ooh, why? Service availability by region. Here's something important. Not all AWS services are available in every region. For example, let's say you're working in the Cape Town region, and I mention a service that doesn't appear for you. What do? Just switch your region using the top right dropdown. Try a larger or more popular region like SN's, Virginia, or Ireland, where most services are available. You can also check the AWS Regional Services list by Googling AWS Regional Service List. It'll show you exactly which services are available in each region. This is super helpful if you're following along and something seems to be missing. Alright, that wraps up our quick tour of the AWS console. You now understand how to pick a region, the difference between a global and the regional services, how to find services quickly, and how to troubleshoot region specific availability issues. In the next lecture, we'll dive into IAM and start configuring your cloud security settings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like us, comment as, subscribe, and hit that so you don't miss the next lesson.